What do you use for TTS? All the sites I've used haven't been good at all. The site I use depends entirely on the voice I want. For the voice you're listening to right now, I use a site called tts.cyzon.us.
For Paul, I use a site that has a ridiculously long URL.
For whatever this crap is, I use fasthub.net.
For voices like Tom, Dave, Stephen, or James, I use a site known as TTS Demo.
I need to point out that TTS Demo does not have a button to download your audio or anything like that. You have to screen record yourself using the site and then convert your video into an audio file. It's as annoying as it sounds.
Most of these sites do have a character limit. TTS Demo has a character limit of 600. I don't know the character limits for the other sites. I'm a new aspiring EAS creator. I'd love to know the software you use. I use PowerPoint right now. When I make the screens for emergency alerts or any excess footage in general, I use a program known as Capling. Capling does not require a download, but it has a big-ass watermark that only goes away if you buy a subscription. The subscription is $24. To add the effects, I use CapCut. Aside from Capling's subscription, both of these programs are completely free to use. I wish you luck on your EAS journey. Who's your favorite EAS creator? I don't have a number one favorite, but I do have some creators that I highly suggest watching, as they put a lot of effort into their work. K4, Radioactive Girl, Meldorito, June, FT, Clear Skies, etc. There are also some smaller EAS creators I like to watch as well. Midnight the Fox, 100T, EAS 2020, and Supernova. Would you ever do any collabs in the future? Funnily enough, I'm working on a collab right now. But as for the future, I honestly don't know. I'm not really well known enough in the community to say that anyone would even want to collab with me. I mean, if anyone's ever done for a collab, I wouldn't say no. What inspired you to create such good EAS content for people like us to chew up? Most of my inspiration came from the people that I've mentioned before. In fact, in the description of all of my videos, you will find an even longer list of creators who inspire me. I think the spark that set off me making EAS content was how easy it was and how much fun I'd have. I love being creative, so this was a pretty huge deal for me. That's why I'm so thankful for all of the support that I've been getting. If people in Limbo cannot contact people on Earth and vice versa, and escape from Limbo is impossible, then how do the people making the broadcast know what Limbo looks like or how it works? It's pretty simple. The National Phenomenon Investigation Agency uses this thing called
Per the request of the National Phenomenon Investigation Agency, this footage has been suspended.
And then they sped off to the nearest hospital, and JFK was pronounced dead later that afternoon. Thank you all for leaving those questions, and now, I will put text on the screen for the remainder of the video because I'm too lazy to keep using text-to-speech.